Nova Investing app pricing explained what you get for your money. Nova Investing is a platform designed to simplify investing for both beginners and experienced users. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's only for high net worth individuals, but the app offers flexible plans for all investors. Nova operates on a subscription-based model. The basic plan, usually around per month, includes portfolio tracking, market insights, and the ability to invest in ETFs and stocks. For example, you can start a small diversified portfolio and track its performance in real time, all from your phone. Premium plan, ranging from per month, unlocks advanced features like tax optimization, personalized investment advice, and in-depth analytics. This is ideal for investors who want deeper insights into risk, asset allocation, and portfolio performance. Nova also charges no commission on trades, making it cost-effective for frequent investors. In conclusion, Nova's pricing is designed to match your level of engagement. Whether you're testing the waters or managing a larger portfolio, understanding the plan ensures you pay only for features that add value. The app combines affordability, transparency, and convenience, making it a strong choice for anyone looking to take control of their investments.